I'm back from Walmart. I'm going to show you what I got at the grocery store. So I got like some hygiene stuff here, so I set that aside. These are some things for Easter. For the Easter baskets, I always get robin's eggs. Saw these Sour Patch Kid straws that are in the like pastel colors. M&Ms. Reese's peanut butter eggs are always good. Got some jelly beans. So I think this whole bag is just Easter candy. So that's Easter candy. Let's see what's in here. So I needed some more flour, or that's sugar. I needed flour and sugar. So that's the sugar. There's more sugar here. This is brown sugar. I needed that. We were out of this stuff. So these are some pantry staples that like we usually have, but I was out of. I got some grapes. I gotta wash those and put them away. I don't know if y'all have ever had these. We really like these pierogies. They are the classic cheddar, and you don't see them too much, but they sell these at our Walmart. And we're in Texas, and it's just not really common to eat pierogies, but we like to eat these. So mainly my daughter really likes these. So I got some of those. I like to keep them on hand for like a quick, simple, easy meal or snack. I got the flour. We were out of pancake mix, so I got some pancake mix. I went through all of my oatmeal. So I got my favorite kind this time. Excuse me. This is my favorite kind. They didn't have a smaller box, so I had to get the value pack with 20 packets. This is really good. The raisin, date, and walnut, it's my favorite. So I got that one. These are also my favorite. As far as potato chips, I really like these. Kettle cooked potato chips. So I don't know if y'all have ever had like I don't know what the other brand is, but the other kettle cooked potato chips with jalapeno. These are like the off-brand from Great Value, and they're so good. And they're very inexpensive as well. This is for my daughter. She likes to have this on hand. Cracker Barrel macaroni and cheese. It's the sharp cheddar. She really likes like the sharper tasting cheeses. Got some peanuts to keep at home. I got some ravioli, or no, those are tortellini. Similar, but not the same, to keep here in the freezer. Also, just these are kind of things that we keep on hand. We cook most of all our meals from scratch, but those are things that we have, like if my daughter needs something quick after practice, you know, something like that. I got some bananas. Looks like they're pretty green. And then a whole box of Funyuns. I didn't mean to get this many. My daughter's having like a lot of practices after school for different things, and so I want her to take a snack or two, so I was going to get 4 of the individuals, but they didn't have individuals, so I had to get a 10-pack. But that is everything I got. I did get some ice cream, but I've put that away. So that is the grocery haul for this week. One of my favorite things about this time of year is all of the flowers. I love seeing all the beautiful Easter flower arrangements and all of the flowers blooming in the garden. So I have this old wreath. It's actually the wreath that hangs on my office door, and it's definitely seen better days. So what I'm going to do is spruce it up with some flowers that I took from an older flower arrangement that I had in the kitchen. I'm no longer going to use, so I'm going to just take the flowers off of it and glue them onto this wreath and hopefully give it a little bit more life. So I want to thank all of you who have newly subscribed to my channel and those that have returned. Thank you so much for being here. I'm going to kind of just play some chill music and chill out as we make this wreath together, and then we'll go put it on my office door.